Hello everyone. Today's discuss how to install Laravel Breeze in a Laravel 12 projects. At first, I have a create a Laravel fresh project. Open a terminal and type Laravel new Breeze. Select none. Select one and wait some time. Select a database. I select SQLite. Yes. Go to the project directory. Then run the project. Open a browser. Type localhost 8000. Run the Laravel new project. It is a fresh Laravel project. Now I can install Laravel Breeze. So type composer require Laravel Breeze dev. Okay, run the command php artisan breeze install. Select your favorite stack. I select blade. Dark mode, yes. Enter 1. Run php artisan migrate. Nothing to migrate, no problem. Run this project again and go to browser and refresh the project and see the two buttons, login and registration. Check the work fulfill. I can fill up the form. Okay, I have installed Laravel Breeze successfully. Thank you for watching this video.